Introducing an 18-volt cutout tool that can keep up with the high productivity standards of drywall contractors. The 18-volt cutout tool with a slim body design and 30,000 RPM for fast cutting. With the MAKITA 4-amp-hour battery, this cordless tool is engineered to make enough cuts for up to 100 gang boxes on a single charge. The 4.0 amp-hour battery provides 35% more runtime per charge than the 3.0 amp-hour battery. And it charges in only 40 minutes, so it spends more time working and less time sitting on the charger. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of MAKITA LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.